TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 67. You get the NASDAQ down 2. S&P's are flat. Gold contracts trading down $1.50 at $12.73.80 an ounce. We have silver up 12 cents, $16.82. Platinum is flat at $9.37 an ounce. We got copper up a penny, $2.88 a pound. Light sweet crude down 28 cents, $49.42 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note down 2 ticks, 125.28. 30-year bond off 12 ticks, 152.26. Now, notes and bonds, folks, last Tuesday went south, had wide price spread, expanded volume, yet didn't take out a lower swing point. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, built cause to go to higher price again, repaired the damage. I expect we're going to see the 10-year and the 30-year to try to test the lows of last Tuesday. I expect them to hold, and both notes and bonds still continue to want higher price. King dollar up 81 ticks, trading at 93.195. King dollar is going to be the most intriguing movement out here this week, I expect. And this is what it is. King dollar hit 93.000 last week. Try to test it. Try to get a bounce going. In fact, it's trying to get a bounce going the last couple of weeks. Haven't been able to get a bounce going. I do expect you're going to see this bounce out here. We'll probably get to about the 95 area. We'll see how it can handle. It's going to be hard to get through the 94 area. I think this is a dead cat bounce, but I do expect we're going to get to that 95 area. The euro is trading at 117 and a quarter. The yen is at 110 and a half. If we get over to take a look at the S&P, we get into the cash first. What you're going to see is this. We're at the beginning of window dressing. Bottom line, window dressing. This high wants to get tested in the S&P, which is 2484.04 or 2476. Dow, I suspect what you're going to have with the Dow, that's going to go to higher highs. Volume still dying on the vine. The NDX 100 and the composite, I don't expect they're going to get to the high. They're going to try to test this high out here. The high in the composite is 64.60. Right now, you're at 63.61. The NDX 100, we're trading out at a price point of 58.92. That high is 59.95. And what you've had out here, folks, is that the NDX and the composite has given us 3 different downdrafts, fast, furious, since May 17th. That's been the warning shots across the bow that this market wants lower price. What you're going to have is that you're going to have Apple come out with its numbers after the close tomorrow. That is the last major NDX stock that can actually move the NDX around. So we'll see where Apple shakes and bakes. Gold contract out here. So we have what gold is this. Gold contract right now is trading at a price point of $12.73. You had the wide price spread last week. We had the volume. I expect you're going to build a little more cause here to get up into the 1307, 1305, which is the April and June swing highs. Silver also, which is pretty cool this morning. Silver's catching a bid out here this morning. Now, I don't expect this run to be right here, right now. The reason being is that I do expect what you're going to see if we go over to the dollar. I expect this dollar is going to get a bounce. But just as when the dollars got destroyed since January 3rd, I don't see it destroying those gold and silver equities. What I do see is that this dollar wants to get a bounce. When you just take a look at the aspect of how many stories are out over the weekend that the dollar is going lower, it's a great contrary type of deal. The notes and bonds, what you have with the notes and bonds is this. 10-year note, bottom line, 125.28. I expect you're going to get probably a test of 125.15. I expect that's going to hold, by the way. If we take a look at the 30-year, 30-year set up the exact same way. And this is going to be just about window dressing. The 30-year, we got to 153.16 today. I expect that's going to test the 152.03. Bottom line, and we take a look at the 3 Qs. What you're seeing with the 3 Qs is this. 3 Qs out here, we're at 143.45. That 145.96, I don't expect it's going to be hit. The benchmark on this baby is 143.90. That is the high of June 9th. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.